and gray. Hello there.
So there's one.
Do you like what you see?
Yes, I do.
If you want one for yourself, then you can call my dad.
Oh, perfect. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Are you getting paid for working the show?
No, but I will be paid if anybody buys one of the cards that I give out.
Ah, what a good salesman.
Yeah.
I don't know. I only have 4 left. I have 2. So, we are going around the World of Wheels place and looking at other cars.
Show them your favorite cars.
Yeah, I think this is probably one of my favorites.
440.
Yeah, I like how, does that hood close? Is that hood close?
Yeah, it's convertible too.
Oh yeah, that's really cool. I really like the nice red paint and the orange lights. What I also like about it is the fans on the front. They're placed in a nice way. I think my dad would really like this and me. We both really like black. Yeah, this car right here. Yeah. Oh. Steering wheel is really nice. Yeah, I like the seats. Yeah, the seats look very comfy. Yeah, I was kind of like a yellow and black. I love the interior. And I think if you look closely, one of my favorite things about it is the steering wheel. Right there, how it's like a yellowy black. That's really cool. Oh, I almost passed it. This monster truck is very cool. Yeah. These ones are some sweet blue cars. Already, those are some sweet doors. I like that monster truck up there. That kind of like pixelated one. Yeah.
Wait, right here.
Yeah, right there. That's the
You like
ones.
red, don't you?
Yeah, I really like red cars. Yeah, really nice shining. I like the interior, red and black, comfy seats. Oh, that is nice. Oh snap! Did you know that I'm actually a mechanic?
You're a mechanic?
Yeah, I'm a mechanic. There's one nice engine. Maybe I'll change my mind for now.
You figure I mean.
Really nice cars. Yeah.
Hey guys, we have Ava here. She is going to tell us what her favorite build of Legacy is this year at World of Wheels 2024. So Ava, do you want to take it away?
I like the color of it. And I like the little setup that she has in the little book. And yeah, and the little basket with fake fruit. And I like the color, I like this color for like the leather.
All of World of Wheels. Is this your favorite?
Yeah.
Here comes, do you hear me now? Can you feel me shake the ground? 'Cause I've heard enough excuses. Let's find out what the truth is. Get on my feet.